Fix in 5. Got a P0496. Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, EVAP purge valve stuck open, excessive fuel vapors escaping. Now the most likely causes. Purge valve solenoid malfunction. EVAP control system fault. Wiring or connector issues to purge valve. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 35.85 doing it yourself, or Euro 99.149 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Inspect EVAP purge valve solenoid. Test purge valve electrical circuit. Replace purge valve solenoid if faulty. Check EVAP hoses and connections for leaks. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0496? The cost to fix P0496 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0496. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.